Cloud Computing Primer. What is Cloud Computing Primer? Cloud Computing Primer offers detailed tutorials on just how to get started in the AWS cloud. The tutorials are noted in the suggested analysis order. However, do not hesitate to review them in an order that accompanies your background and choice. Expense savings are frequently the main marketing point of cloud computing. However, significantly, firms place organization agility as the cloud's chief advantage. Cloud Computer enables IT to apply resources as they're needed where they're needed, and also pay just wherefores required when it's required. Cloud computing brings an enterprise-scale framework to tiny as well as medium-sized organizations, SMBs. Cloud Computing Primer helps to understand that cloud modern technology is frequently evolving. It is most likely that some guide information no more match fact when you attempt to use it. Individuals, tools, and also applications connect with a digital instance as if it is a genuine rational source. Virtualization not only produces efficiency gains in processing power, yet also conserves power, area, and air conditioning costs since the variety of physical equipment is significantly minimized. A cloud is an information center or group of information centers made from up compute and storage space resources connected by a network. About Cloud Computing Primer certification. If you obtain a Cloud Computing Primer certification, you will certainly be able to benefit from the multitude of work chances in the field. With cloud computing, you will certainly have much better professional development as you will have proof of your abilities. Currently, there is a large supply-demand void for cloud experts. So, if you do not want to struggle in this competitive world, you require to learn demanding cloud skills. By doing this, you will certainly be able to earn more and also attain better. These qualifications have been developed to make certain that you have all the sensible understandings needed to ace your interview. Having the certification is a vital standard for several international businesses. Significance of Cloud Computing Primer training in 2021. In the past couple of years, cloud computing has ended up being the technology that every company desires as it is simple, fast, and also economical. The traditional method is time-taking, stressful, and less economical. Cloud computers, on the other hand, aid the organization in expanding their organization and gaining optimal revenue. In fact, it will be just one of the most demanding innovations in the future. That is why every business wants to move its organization to the cloud. With this electronic change, they can access any kind of information in any area on the planet with the highest security degree in less money and much less time. Cloud Computing Primer is in need, yet it will not always transpire right into professions. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Cloud Computing Primer in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best basic cloud computing certifications training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for basic networking certifications training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585001. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/